front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Pop-up view is a great way to multitask, especially on OPPO devices, because floating windows has a lot of features. To open your app in pop-up view and try all of them, you need to click on one of your apps and access it in the background, like that. When you're ready, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select floating window from this pop-up. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To minimize your window, you can tap on Home button and drag the tiny window to the side to turn it into a bubble. To access your window again, tap on the bubble and then on tiny window. You can also minimize it by clicking on those three dots at the top and selecting Minimize. Thanks to the same three dots, you can tap on full screen, which will open this app in full screen view, or tap on Close to close your window completely. But not many people know that you can also operate this line at the bottom. By dragging it all the way to the top, you'll make your window disappear. By dragging it down though, you can open your apps in full screen view. When you see gray area, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!